If you're looking to upgrade your lighting with LED screw-in retrofits, you're on your way to brighter lighting and savings. But which option is the best for your application? The lamp you choose depends entirely on the fixture you're retrofitting and how light is directed out of it. The general types of screw-in retrofit lighting available are round corn lights, flat corn lights, and high bay retrofits. Round corn lights provide 360-degree illumination, making them a great option for fixtures that let out light from all angles. Within this category are post-top lights, which also come with field-adjustable color options. Flat corn lights provide light going in one direction, making them a great option for cutoff or semi-cutoff fixtures, including wall packs and shoebox lights. Lastly, high bay screw-in retrofits provide downlighting. They're great for upgrading your indoor lighting efficiency without replacing a whole fixture. We hope this sheds some light on which type of screw-in retrofit is best for your application. Reach out today with any questions. Our team is here to make sure you get the best lighting for your needs.